Welcome back to Vintage American Cars. Today, we've got another exciting lineup of 10 incredible classics you can actually find for sale right now. From Camaros and Mustangs to Impalas, Chevelles, and even a Buick Century convertible, this list is packed with style, history, and plenty of muscle. Let's check them out one by one. 1. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, $26,500 Minaga. Here's a chance to own a first-generation Chevy Camaro, one of America's most iconic muscle cars. This 1968 Camaro comes with a 350 engine, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, and a 12-bolt rear end with multi-leaf springs. While not a true SS, it delivers that raw muscle car feel enthusiasts crave. The car hasn't been on the road for decades, giving you the opportunity to bring it back to life. It runs strong, though the shifter will need rebuilding or replacement. Classic Camaros like this are becoming harder to find in restorable condition, making it a solid investment for collectors who love the thrill of manual driving and authentic American muscle heritage.
Number 2. 1965 Chevrolet El Camino, $15,900 in Inwood, West Virginia. Few vehicles combine utility and performance like the legendary Chevy El Camino. This 1965 model features a 350 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, and power disc brakes, all modern upgrades for everyday driving comfort. The car boasts a fresh interior, upgraded dash, and brand new tires, while the chrome and trim shine beautifully. The older paint still shows well, giving it a charming vintage presence. With its smooth ride, stylish pickup design, and a nice cam that delivers a deep rumble, this El Camino isn't just a classic, it's a head-turning cruiser that blends muscle car performance with pickup practicality.
Number 3. 1969 Oldsmobile 442, $12,969, Round Hill. The 1969 Oldsmobile 442 stands as one of the great muscle cars of the late 60s. This true 442 Holiday Coupe still has its matching numbers intact, except for the Holley carburetor. The seller even provides the original build sheet, a rare find for collectors. This car hasn't been on the road since 1987, but it's been recently started and driven, with videos available to prove it. It will still need some tuning and minor work before becoming road-ready, but at this price, it's nearly impossible to find another running and driving 442 with matching numbers. For muscle car fans, this is an affordable entry into a true collector's classic.
Four. 1964 Pontiac GTO 4-speed, $60,000, Huntersville. Known as the car that launched the muscle car era, the 1964 Pontiac GTO is a legend. This example comes with its original engine, just 36,000 miles, and a PHS documented history. It underwent a full frame-off restoration about 30 years ago and remains in stunning condition. Recently, the engine was rebuilt at a cost of $12,000 with a roller cam and lifters from Butler Performance, giving it both originality and performance. The car features a long list of rare options, including power steering, power brakes, deluxe wheel, console, and even a tissue dispenser.
Finished in a rare Pinehurst green, this GTO is clean, well-documented, and ready for a collector who appreciates one of the most important cars in muscle history. 5. 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS Convertible. This 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS Convertible is a true super sport with matching numbers and a 4-speed manual transmission. Professionally restored in 2013, it was done to factory standards with incredible attention to detail. With only 47,000 miles, this Impala has been carefully stored in climate-controlled garages, ensuring its condition remains excellent. The car has been part of the same family since 1964, adding a wonderful history of ownership. With its top-down style, smooth manual transmission, and originality, this Impala SS offers everything collectors dream of: rarity, beauty, and the joy of cruising in one of Chevy's most beloved classics.
6. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Pro Street, $59,900, Ronkonkoma, New York. This isn't just a Chevelle SS, it's a full-on Pro Street monster. Featuring a 427 big block with a 671 blower and dual quads, this Chevelle was built for both show and go. It underwent a complete frame-off restoration, includes a tubbed rear end, full roll cage, and is finished in an absolutely stunning blue paint job. The car has won multiple Best of Show and First Place awards. Despite its powerhouse setup, it runs smoothly on 93-octane pump gas and is street legal, with fewer than 1,000 miles since the build. Kept in a heated garage, this Chevelle is in mint condition and represents the ultimate blend of muscle car heritage and modern pro street performance.
7. 1955 Buick Century Convertible, $45,900. For those who love the golden era of American cars, this 1955 Buick Century Convertible is a gem. With its bold styling, chrome details, and smooth automatic transmission, it represents Buick luxury at its finest. The car is rust-free, runs perfectly, and remains in beautiful condition. Mid-50s convertibles are among the most collectible cars today, and this one embodies the style and craftsmanship that made Buick a household name. Whether for weekend cruising or car shows, this Buick Century is a stylish, elegant classic that turns heads wherever it goes. 8. 1966 Plymouth Fury 3, $13,500, Round Hill. The Plymouth Fury 3 was known for offering both space and performance at an affordable price. This 1966 model comes with a V8 engine, automatic transmission, and only 60,000 original miles. Finished in red, the body is straight and well-kept, making it a reliable vintage driver. Affordable full-sized Mopars are becoming harder to find, and the Fury 3 offers a great blend of muscle car vibes with everyday usability. Whether you want a weekend cruiser or an entry-level collectible, this Plymouth offers great value. 9. 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible is $19,500 in Rehoboth, Mass. This 1966 Mustang Convertible is perfect for anyone looking to get into classic car ownership. Featuring a rare bench seat, power convertible top, power steering, and an older but well-done restoration, this Mustang is ready to drive daily. Recent upgrades include a new transmission,
fuel system, suspension components, and a fresh gas tank. With no rust or rot, this car is solid and reliable. The odometer shows 101,800 miles, but it drives like a much younger car. Affordable, stylish, and instantly recognizable, the 1966 Mustang convertible continues to be one of the most popular classics in the world.
10. 1965 Chevrolet Malibu, $23,000, Mechanicsburg. Closing out the list, we have a well-preserved 1965 Chevrolet Malibu, four-door sedan. Powered by a 230 inline-six with an automatic transmission, this Malibu is built for smooth, dependable driving. The car has been refreshed with new carpet, new upholstery, new battery, and new brakes. It also sits on brand new BF Goodrich tires, adding to its reliability. With only 60,000 miles, this Malibu has been very well maintained and offers collectors an affordable way to enjoy classic Chevrolet style without breaking the bank. For families or first-time collectors, this Malibu is a great entry into the world of vintage cars.
And that wraps up our list of 10 classic cars you can find for sale right now. From high-powered muscle to rare convertibles and solid daily drivers. Which one would you take home? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Vintage American Cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more timeless rides. See you next time.